Student, I, Soumen sir, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering. Now we are going to learn what is lathe accessories. What is the function of lathe accessories? The device used in lathe for holding or supporting the job or holding the tool is called lathe accessories. The devices employed for holding and supporting the work and the tool on the lathe are called its accessories. Accessories are required for holding and supporting the working job or the cutting tool conveniently. Now, example of some lathe accessories. Number 1, lathe center, life center and dead center. Number 2, faceplate. Number 3, mandel. Number 4, chucks. Number 5, steady rest and follower rest. Number 6, catch plate or diving plate, same. Number 7, lathe carrier or lathe dogs, same. Okay, thank you.